pumili ng relaxation card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung anong parating sa inyong buhay. I can feel basically relaxation. Kasi maybe you're stressed already with regards to your life. And you need some healing work to do. Kasi I felt drawn to the green color. Ibig sabihin kasi nung green can be heart chakra or it can be about healing and even abundance too with regards to money. I feel na mabuti kang tao guys at ginagawa mo ng maayos yung iyong trabaho. Honestly, pero hindi ko nakita dito na may sapat kang pahinga for yourself. Dahil siguro sa kaka-work mo. So, I'm going to clarify to gain more information. At kailangan mo rin huminahon sa iyong buhay. Okay, so bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon talaga na magpahinga. Kasi siguro nafe-feel mo rin siguro na may toxicity nangyayari, lalo na sa trabaho. So, with the inspiring friendship, so, ibig sabihin lang nun, natutuwa ka sa iyong work. Kasi yung mga tao sa paligid mo, mga friends mo, or talagang, kaya porsigido ka mag-work kasi yun nga, may mga tao na nag-resonate sa'yo sa paligid at masaya ka with regards sa iyong friends, sa iyong mga katrabaho, and so on. So far, ito yung nangyayari na meron kang lover at meron ka ring, kayamanan, and yeah, you have work, but you are overworked. May oras ka para sa lover mo, may oras ka para sa work, pero sa iyong sarili, wala na. Kasi maybe, pag uwi mo pa sa bahay, asikasuhin mo pa yung naiwan mong trabaho. Okay? So, definitely, yung parating sa iyong buhay ay bakasyon or pahinga. Kasi with the encourage being here, baka meron na nag-encourage sa'yo na magpahinga ka naman, magbakasyon ka muna. Okay, so yun yung mangyayari or maybe what's happening here. Baka naman winish mo kay God na, gusto mo ng bakasyon. So, God will definitely grant it to you. I kinda feel secretly. And you will definitely not know about it. Baka bigla na lang may magyaya sa'yo. Which is definitely nice. Maybe it's your lover. Nayayain ka. Basta someone na close sa'yo. So with this one as well, if ever you wish for it guys, you will definitely have this vacation. And I kinda feel some of you are definitely healing. Maybe over other relationship na hindi nag-work out. And so on. And yeah, God is definitely granting your wishes, to be honest with you. So, anyway, I kinda feel na ito rin yung dapat yung gawin, guys. Iwas muna kayo sa pagpa-posting kasi behind the scenes, there could be somebody that's cursing you kasi nakita mo naman ang ganda na nangyari sa iyong buhay at di rin naman natin maiwasan na may mga taong nagsiselos sa ating paligid. So, suggestion lang, guys, be introvert. Kung may kayong let's say, mag-posting na nagbakasyon ka whatsoever, then just make a scrapbook, to keep memories na lang. Or kung may ka talagang mag-keep online, then create a new account and ilagay mo lahat in private. So, yun na lang. Kasi may tao na hindi mabuti sa inyong buhay na instead na matuwa siya sa'yo, this is somebody that's definitely upset whenever he or she see you having this balanced life in your life. Gusto niya kasi maging stagnant yung iyong buhay, kaya curse siya ng curse. feeling ko wala siya magawa sa buhay niya. Okay, and then yung parating sa inyong buhay ay definitely relaxation. So, 2 beses lumabas yung relaxation sa iyong reading. So, ibig sabihin, bibigyan ka ng panahon ng Diyos para magpahinga. Kasi maybe may pinagdaanan ka rin talaga bago dumating yung lover mo na padala ng Panginoon. Or maybe single ka sa ngayon, di mo pa na meet yung the one. You know, you need some time to heal from whatever losses in your life. Maybe third-party situations sa past. Kailangan mong ipahinga yan. Kailangan mo ni iiyak yan. Okay? So, you have to open and give. So, anyway, you do have to be open with regards sa parating na biyaya sa ng Panginoon. If ever you're single, I think, guys, na may parating na lover sa inyong buhay. And to accept this one, to be open for love, you really have to heal from whatever had happened to you in the past. So, maisipin din na lahat ng mga tao ay lalagay ka sa third party. Kasi hindi naman lahat kagaya ng ex mo. So, yun dapat mong isipin. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, we have this curse in reverse. So, hindi tatalab yung curse sa'yo. We also have this one. And we also got this luck. So, you definitely have luck with regards sa yung career. At maybe ganun din if ever you do have a partner. And that curse na pinadala sa'yo, maybe it has to do with breaking up, honestly speaking. And we also have the light in either way. It's kind of like a spiritual warfare, guys. Maybe you're somebody who's definitely of the light, or maybe you're working for God, to be honest, or definitely a good person. Kaya mga tao na opposite sa'yo, na they work for evil, you know, they're the ones who's cursing you. They're the ones who's hating on you. Kaya nila to ginagawa. So you have this one, so you have to be introvert as of this time. You also have abuse in reverse. And we have this one. So, darating yung time talaga na magkakaroon ka ng bakasyon. Kasi maybe naabuso mo na yung katawan mo, work ka ng work, pagod ka na. Okay, so, ipagpahinga mo yung sarili mo. Kasi kung hindi ka nagpahinga, you know, kapag nagkasakit ka talaga, maipilitin ka, matigil yung work, diba? So, ganun. Anyway, so let's see what else do we have here. You could have that drive or passion with regards talaga sa work. Kaya lagi ka sigurong work ng work. Honestly speaking. At saka, so far, masakit yung ulo ko. So, maybe sabihin lang nun talaga, kailangan mo ng pahinga. Ngayon sa nararamdaman mo na pwedeng sakit sa ulo or talagang naramdaman mo na stress ka na sa work. So, anyway, with regards sa work naman, di yan naaalis sa'yo. Kasi yan na yung position mo, honestly speaking. Yung kailangan mo lang talaga ay pahinga. Okay, so, maganda naman yung sa iyong work. To be honest with you, you do have connections. At masaya ka sa iyong buhay. So, as I told you, may mga taong nagsiselos ng iyong buhay kasi vibrant yung buhay mo, honestly speaking. Ito mga tao nag-i-ilwish sa'yo na magkaroon ng third-party situation if ever you do have a lover, honestly speaking. Pero hindi yan mangyayari, guys, kasi yung lover mo talaga ay in love sa'yo. At kung may dumating man ng another party or tao na umaakit sa kanya, nilalabanan niya ito. Honestly speaking, hindi basta-basta makakapunta yung mga pwede maligaw sa yung lover kasi iniiwasan niya. Okay? So, If ever you're single, guys, to be honest, you really need to heal. Kasi baka ito rin yung maging dahilan kung ba't hindi mo tatanggapin yung blessing na parating sa'yo. Kasi isa sa blessing maybe is a lover. Okay, so, yung parating sa inyong buhay, darating ang time na mapapagod ka at magkakaroon ka rin ng chance na magpahinga. Okay, para maiwasan yung further sickness if ever patuloy ka nag-work. So, tingnan naman natin ngayon kung ano yung karma ng taong ito na nagka-curse sa'yo. Okay, this is sad, guys. Kasi na-sense ko agad na this is somebody na you could be someone na friendly, okay? Baka kinoconsider mo tong tao na to as friends. Honestly, but sad to say, whomever this is somebody who's jealous of you and cursing behind the scenes. So if ever you're not aware who this is, and then pray to God to give you some clarity and give you some signs about this, okay? So anyway, ito yung kanyang karma. Siya yung magkakaroon ng issue with regards sa money, with regards sa love life. Makatagpo siya ng mga tao na hindi mabubuti sa kanyang buhay, mga taong madadamot. Isa yun sa kanyang karma. So, if ever this person will have a connection, it will not definitely work out kasi hindi naman siya fated with that person. And with the strength in reverse, ibig sabihin din nun na isa rin sa kanyang karma, siya ay magkakasakit. I feel like all of the curses will backfire sa taong ito. To be honest with you, see, magkakaroon siya ng downfall. At yung mga tao na inaapektuhan niya, patuloy lang yung kanilang work at yung kanilang buhay. So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. So take some time to heal, honestly, at magpahinga kayo. Hindi lang laging work na work, remember yourself too. So anyway, that's it guys, and God bless all of you.